Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a hardwired smoke alarm. So the first step is to remove the old smoke alarm. We are going to be putting in one of these. It is a Performax, sorry my finger is right there in the way. Performax smoke alarm, 120 volt, hardwired with battery backup. So it's important to replace these every 10 years. First thing we got to do is remove the old one. Pretty simple. Pull it down, unplug it. Now you want to unplug this because if you don't, if all you do is remove those wire nuts, then what's going to happen is the alarm will go off as well as all of the other alarms that are connected to this unit. Now of course if you are replacing a smoke alarm and all you need to do is unplug and replug, then you're good. You don't need to unwire anything. But we're switching brands from one to another, and so this needs to be rewired. So that's what we're doing here, is rewiring the hardwired smoke alarms. And so if you need to do that, then it is very important that you unplug that alarm before you wire in your new alarm. Next step will be to remove the plate. Hopefully, the new plate that we have, we can use the existing screws. All right, once we have the plate removed, we'll pull these wires down. And remove these really in no particular order. I'm going to start this way. You can see they're very loose connections. Those two aren't even twisted together.
Now we're going to rewire these in no particular order. I like to start with the neutral so we don't get zapped, and take a pliers, twist these together so that there's a good solid connection before you put that wire nut on, and then make sure, of course, that they are very secure. So we'll proceed with these one at a time until we get them all wired up. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you have any comments or questions or run into any trouble, post them below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Also, hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel.
Okay, once you're sure none of these will pull out, then you can tuck these wires back in the ceiling and it'll be time to put our plate on there. So let's see if we can use these screws. Should be able to. There we go. Beautiful. Now we'll tighten them up. And then it is a matter of plugging in the new one. There we are. Put that whole thing up in the ceiling.
All right, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. This has been how to install a hardwired smoke alarm. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Also, hit that like button, bell icon, and subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos from How To Video Channel.